Want to make the background of your photos transparent in Canva? In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple methods to remove backgrounds like a pro. First, I'll show you how to use Canva Pro's background remover tool for quick and flawless results. But don't worry if you're not a Canva Pro subscriber. I've got you covered with a completely free alternative that works just as well. Just make sure you watch the video until the end in order to see the second method, which is free. So let's first show you how we can use the background remover tool. This tool is available for Canva Pro users, and all we have to do is to add the image to our Canva design on which we want to remove the background or make the background transparent. So here is my photo. Click on the photo in order to select it, then you'll be able to see this BG remover, so just tap here. Canva will then take a couple of seconds until it analyzes the photo and removes the background. This tool is very precise and fast. It will cut out the person, it will remove the background of our photo, and then we can save the photo as a PNG file. So I've selected the PNG format right here, and make sure that you select the transparent background option, because this will ensure that our photo will be saved with a transparent background. This is a pro feature as well, so if you're a Canva Pro subscriber, you'll have access to this tool. But what if you don't have the Canva Pro subscription and you want to do this for free? It's a pretty simple process as well. Open another tab in your web browser, and then navigate to a website that's called remove.bg. I'm going to make sure to leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open the correct website from there. All we have to do from here is to upload our photo from which we want to remove the background, and then wait for the website to remove it and make the background of our photo transparent. There will be 2 different download options for our photo. The first option is that you can download this for absolutely free, but it will be a lower resolution. Another option is to sign up or register and make an account on this website, and then you'll be able to download your image with a transparent background in its full resolution. Once you do all of these steps and download this photo, you can upload it to Canva and then add it to your design. Since the background of our photo is transparent, we can add different backgrounds to our photo, such as a city background, maybe some room, a library, nature backgrounds, and all those other things. If you found this tutorial useful, then please make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.